carrying the symbol of strength and freedom. These majestic creatures have journeyed alongside humans through many glorious chapters of history. However, horse farms for meat production are currently developing at an astonishingly fast pace. This has caused a great deal of controversy, as well as a wave of boycotts from animal protection organizations. So why is horse meat so highly regarded and able to maintain its place in the path of agricultural development? Right now, let's follow me as we uncover this mystery. When horses reach adulthood, to provide them with sufficient energy, they need a high-energy diet, with fresh grass or hay as the primary component. In addition, adding grains such as oats and barley can help boost energy levels for horses that are more active. Horses also need to be provided with minerals and vitamins to maintain bone and joint health, especially if they are used in strenuous activities like racing or pulling carts. Additionally, to ensure the horse is always in the best condition, especially in places with extreme climates such as excessive heat, extra care is needed. They need to be given a cool bath about once every 2 weeks, as bathing too frequently can strip away the natural oils that protect their skin and coat. Since horses are highly mobile animals, they need to engage in regular and sufficient physical activity. Having horses run on a treadmill when the weather is unsuitable is also a great way to reduce their stress and enhance interaction with their trainer. Training starts with the basics, such as teaching horses to follow commands and practicing simple, gentle exercises. By developing the necessary skills for riding, racing, or other sports activities, horses become stronger and better prepared for future challenges. These experiences are only amazing when we get to see and touch these wonderful animals with our own eyes and hands. Restricting slaughter and protecting them will also contribute to building a more humane society, where people respect and treat animals well. What about you? Feel free to share your thoughts on this matter. Thanks for listening and exploring with us. See you in the next video.